Hello, hello, hello. You're at an event, a party, and you're asked to sing. Suddenly, your mind just goes blank. I'll give you ways to make sure this doesn't happen. You don't want to be caught off guard. This is our business. It's show business. So always show up and show your wares. You never know who's watching or listening. Now, I'll ask a student, especially when they first come for lessons, if they have a favorite singer they listen to. And usually they do, or they'll mention a few. Now, they love to sing or they wouldn't be taking singing lessons. And they usually sing along with the singers they love, like you. Don't you sing along as you're listening to a song? It's a natural thing to do, and sometimes you're dancing, huh? Me too. Now I'll ask them to sing a few bars, maybe the chorus of one of these songs. And then it happens. They can't think of a single song, let alone a part of it. Their mind goes blank. Has this happened to you? You're out and asked to sing. What do? You're not warmed up. Songs may start coming through your mind. You can't decide. Or your mind does the blank thing. Ugh. Here's how to fix this. Always be prepared. Take some time now to make a list of songs that you love to sing. Now, take out the ones that are hard to sing. Why? You want to be comfortable. Usually when you're asked to sing, you aren't warmed up. Maybe you're tired, or you could be drinking. Always have songs that you can do, no matter what. Now, the caveat to this is to sing the hard ones, but only when you know that you can. There won't be any problem. This may be obvious, but there are times when you may pull away because the song is too hard, or it's going to be hard to hit those notes in the song, so you're going to pull away. Be prepared with songs you know you can do, anytime and anywhere. Now, there's different situations. Situations will call for different readiness. If you're singing a cappella, then you may start too high or low. This is going to take some practice on your part, but you're going to get it. You may be having a DJ or a band that you're going to sing with, and you have to know the key of the song. Do you do it in the original, or do you need it lower or higher? This is called transposing, which means that you move the song up or down from where it is, which is usually the original. This is a must know, and you have to tell the DJ or the band the key in order to play the song where it fits your voice. You may sing at the drop of a hat, which is great. Make sure you guard your voice, though, for each situation. Are you someone who hems and haws when asked to sing? Say, oh, I don't know. You want to sing, but you hesitate when asked. Maybe you're shy, or maybe you're just not sure yourself. Remember what I said in the beginning. You can start working on being prepared. This will help you know what you want to sing. Then you have to work on your brain. That's a little harder, but you can do it. Start building with the self-confidence and positive thoughts, mental practice, that you will say yes to when you sing. Finally and again, always prepare. Don't wait till the situation happens. You can do this. I believe in you. Now believe in yourself. So when you're asked to sing, you got this covered. Tell me what happened when you were asked to sing in the comments below. Were you prepared? Did you back down? Did you nail it? Remember, always love what you do and do what you love. Okay? Because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! Bye, 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 bye.